I am here to tell you about the key features of the RLM10-144H 530 to 550 watts 9BB solar module series manufactured by Reeco Logic. Our highly experienced designers and engineers incorporated in this module various latest trend technologies, creating powerful, reliable and highly efficient products. 144 solar cells with advanced half-cut design provide up to 550 watts output with an excellent conversion efficiency of up to 21.5%. As the name indicates, half cells are conventional solar cells that have been cut in half. This design scheme doubles the number of cells instead of traditional 72 cells. Our module has 144. Cutting of the cells halves their current, which in turn lowers resistive losses during current movements. It also doubles the number of wiring rows, which improves module shade tolerance. In conventional modules with 3 wiring rows, shading of one row might lead up to 1/3 production loss, while in half cells, modules with 6 rows, it affects only 1/6 of the power output. Half-cut cells are also smaller in size, which makes them more resistant to mechanical damage and lessens the probability of micro cracks, increasing their service life and overall durability. 0 to +3% positive power tolerance guarantees reliable energy generation. Anti-PID technology ensures limited power degradation. For these, we choose large 182mm cells. Bigger size of cells allows us to maximise the module's output, providing more power per square metre of installation area. Multi-bus bar design with 9 bus bars brings more advantages, allowing to further reduce resistance losses by providing shorter electrical pathways for current. The more bus bars are printed on wafer, the shorter distance between them and the lesser resistance losses are.
Products' reliability and quality is confirmed with the multiple national and international industry standard certifications, which include TÜV, UL, IEC, European CE and Brazilian in Metro. In warranty terms, we offer 10 years product warranty and 25 years linear performance warranty. Standard packing configuration for these is 31 modules per pallet with 620 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. In addition to our warehouse in China, we also offer shipping from warehouses in the Netherlands and from Peru.
Our fast and professional customer support team will be happy to provide full logistical and technical support during the whole process, including pre-sale and after-sale assistance. In addition to this, every step of our production is recorded by serial numbers so it can be tracked back if there are any issues. Equipped with state-of-the-art production facilities, Reeco Logic is able to offer high-efficiency products at competitive prices. Get to know us and see for yourself that we are the right partner for you.